Tony Fadell. You know the name. But do you know the story behind the name? The man behind the iPod. The architect of the Nest thermostat, a Silicon Valley legend. His journey is one of relentless innovation and unyielding passion. In Build, an unorthodox guide to making things worth making, Fadell takes us on a journey, not just through his career but through the very process of innovation. He opens the doors to his world, revealing the secrets behind his success. Published in 2022, Build isn't just another memoir. It's a guidebook, a mentorship in paperback. It's a treasure trove of insights for anyone looking to make a mark in the world of technology and beyond. Fadell doesn't just tell his story, he shares the lessons learned, the hard-won wisdom from decades spent building iconic products. He dives deep into the challenges faced, the obstacles overcome, and the triumphs celebrated. This is not a book about coding or design software. It's about ideas, about people, about the messy, exhilarating process of bringing something new into the world. It's about the human element in technology, the creativity, and the collaboration. Fadell's writing is direct, engaging. He doesn't sugarcoat, he tells it like it is. His candidness is refreshing, offering a raw and unfiltered look at the world of innovation. The failures, the fights, the moments of doubt. He lays it all bare, showing that even the most successful journeys are fraught with challenges. But through it all, there's an optimism, a belief in the power of great teams to do great things. Fadell's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. So, if you're looking to be inspired, to learn from one of the best, and to understand what it truly takes to innovate, Build is a must-read. Tony Fadell's journey is not just a story, it's a blueprint for success. Build is not a how-to manual. It's a why-to manifesto. It's a call to dig deeper, to understand the core reasons behind creating something new. Fadell argues that true innovation comes from a deep well of passion. It's about solving problems that matter, not chasing trends. He believes that when you focus on what truly matters, the solutions you create will naturally stand out. He emphasizes the importance of user-centric design. Understand your customer, Fadell says. Feel their pain points, walk in their shoes. Only by truly empathizing with the user can you create something that genuinely addresses their needs. Then, and only then, can you build something truly meaningful. It's not just about the end product, but the journey of creation itself. Every step, every decision should be driven by a desire to make a difference. Fadell doesn't shy away from the nitty-gritty. He dives into the importance of building the right team, a team that shares your vision and passion, a team that is willing to go the extra mile. He talks about the need for strong leadership, clear communication, and a shared vision. Leadership that inspires and motivates. Communication that is open and honest, a vision that everyone believes in. He emphasizes the importance of mentorship, both giving and receiving it. Mentorship that guides, supports, and challenges you to be better. It's about learning from those who have walked the path before you and sharing your knowledge with those who are just starting out. Build is a call to action. It's a reminder that the best products are more than just objects. They're solutions, they're stories, they're reflections of the people who made them. They are the embodiment of passion, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. One of the core themes of Build is the power of mentorship. Mentorship is not just about giving advice, it's about creating a relationship where both parties can learn and grow. Fadell himself benefited greatly from mentors throughout his career. These mentors provided him with invaluable insights, helping him navigate the complexities of the tech industry. He stresses the importance of finding people who can guide you, challenge you, and help you grow. A good mentor will push you out of your comfort zone and encourage you to reach new heights. But mentorship is a two-way street. It's not just about receiving guidance. It's also about giving back and sharing your own experiences. Fadell is equally passionate about the importance of mentoring others. He believes that sharing your knowledge and experience is essential for building a strong team and fostering innovation. Sharing your knowledge and experience is essential for building a strong team and fostering innovation. When you mentor others, you not only help them grow, but also reinforce your own understanding and skills. Fadell also delves into the mindset required for successful innovation. He emphasizes that having the right mentality is crucial for anyone looking to make a significant impact in the tech world. He talks about the importance of curiosity. Curiosity drives you to explore new ideas, technologies, and solutions. The willingness to challenge the status quo. Innovation often comes from questioning existing norms and finding better ways to do things. the ability to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Each setback provides valuable lessons that can lead to future achievements. He encourages readers to cultivate a builder's mentality. This means being hands-on, experimenting, and constantly iterating on your ideas. A mindset that is both pragmatic and idealistic. It's about balancing practicality with a vision for what could be. One that is grounded in reality, but driven by a desire to make the world a better place. This dual approach helps in creating solutions that are not only innovative, but also impactful and sustainable. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.